Hello everybody, on this tutorial I am going to teach you how to make this Falcon from Star Wars movie. To make this origami you need a piece of used letter size, and you can also use A4 paper. First step, let's fold the paper in half. So you can start from the corner and match it to the edge. After you finish both sides, you should have the intersection of all edges and use that intersection as a reference point to fold the top of the paper down. This is a very standard fold. After you finish that crease, you can flip the paper over and fold both sides of the crease into the center crease. And now you can push the top of the paper down and you should have a house shape. And I will show you the next step. Let's start from the tip and estimate about 0.75 inch or 3/4 of an inch, and it is about 2 centimeters for the tip down, and use the top layer for the corner straight to the crease we just made. You should repeat the same fold for both sides of the paper. Next step, let's flip the paper over and fold the tip down. Fold slowly. This is about 0.75 inch or 2 centimeters from the edge to the tip. And then you can fold the head of the airplane down. Then start from the top edge on the side, fold it to the edge inside. Also for the other side. And then insert this corner into the pocket. So after finishing one side, you can repeat the same fold for the other side. Just fold the paper in half and then insert that corner into the pocket. You can use the other side of the paper as a reference. And on the following step, I will flip the paper over and I'll fold the very end of the paper up to enhance the body of the origami. And then unfold everything. And now use this edge as a reference line for the next fold. And refold that part. Then fold the paper in half. You can fold the edge, the corner, so that the origami will look closer to the Falcon. Also for the other side. And then you can fold both sides to make the wings, just like regular paper airplanes. But keep in mind, this is just a model, it can't fly. Repeat the same fold for the other side. After you finish both sides, you finish the origami. You can adjust it to make it look nice. As you can see the head of the origami, I will fold down so it will look closer to the Falcon from Star Wars movie. Make sure that you measure them evenly. For me, I just showed you the instruction quickly, but if you want, you can adjust just a little bit more. And after you finish the head of the falcon, you finish the origami. And I hope you guys enjoy making this origami. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and get in touch.